Here at Wichita State, our university is divided into 8 academic colleges, which together offer more than 230 areas of study for our students. But to narrow things down for you, if you've got your eye on an engineering or computing major, then our College of Engineering is, without a doubt, the right fit for you. Wichita State was actually one of the first universities in the nation to offer a degree in aerospace engineering. Way back in 1928, the same year Mickey Mouse was created and bubblegum was invented. And today we proudly offer degrees in aerospace, computer, biomedical, industrial, electrical, mechanical, and product design and manufacturing engineering, as well as in applied computing, computer science, and engineering technology, which also offers concentrations in environmental sustainability, engineering management, facilities management, and mechatronics. Now at this point you may be thinking, these are fancy titles, but what makes the College of Engineering at WSU so special? Well, check out these stats. Our College of Engineering is home to over 3,000 students, 2 living learning communities, an engineering LLC and the Women in Engineering LLC, and 30 engineering student organizations such as Shaka Robotics, Society of Women Engineers, National Society of Black Engineers, Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers, Formula SAE, and Baja SAE. And you know, not to brag, but our engineering graduate programs are among the top 100 nationally. We're in the top 50 in the country in terms of engineering research and development. We're ranked first in industry-funded aerospace research and designated a National Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense Education by the National Security Agency and the Department of Homeland Security. Each year, we award over $800,000 in scholarships to engineering and computer science students, and we give out $28,500 scholarships to incoming students through our Wallace Invitational for Scholarships in Engineering. At our campus, you'll be able to find not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 different wind tunnels, 2 of which are supersonic, a brand new dynamics lab, and our John Bardow Center, which houses 25 unique teaching labs, each with its own focus, such as aerospace propulsion, vehicle design, materials and metallurgy, and multidisciplinary human biomechanics and design. Say that one 5 times fast, among many others. Additionally, our Shockers have access to a strong network of professional organizations that allow them to explore applied learning and internship opportunities easily right here on our campus. These partnerships include Airbus, Spirit AeroSystems, Textron Aviation, NetApp, and the National Institute for Aviation Research, or NIAR for short. We have the largest internship program in the state with students starting at $15 an hour through internships. There are over 1,000 engineering internship and full-time positions available to our Shockers each year, and over 50 employers attend our annual engineering and IT fair to recruit our students, helping our Shockers land internships with organizations like these. You'll be happy to know that we have a strong history of placing students at NASA for both internships and careers. Additionally, our graduates have gone on to hold professional positions such as the co-founder of Garmin, software engineer at Amazon, structural design engineer for Spirit AeroSystems, production engineer for Northrop Grumman, executive director of Rosewood Cottage, and business development manager for energy services at Siemens. So what we're trying to say is we're beyond proud of all the accomplishments our students see both in and outside the classroom, and we're positive you could be just as successful during your time here too. With that, we hope you've learned a little more about our College of Engineering here at Wichita State. You can learn more about the college and the opportunities available to you by visiting wichita.edu/engineering.